Hey, this is Aaron Pine at Sacred Vision Designs, and I wanted to explain to you about memberships and membership systems and help you understand kind of how they work and how to make the most of them. So first thing, I will send you is the outline to help you kind of fill out, help you flesh out the ideas of the membership, and also helps me make sure I understand what you want in there. So I'm going to go over those few basic points first, and then I'll get into a little bit of some other ideas for you to think about whether now or in the future as you build more memberships. So first, obviously, is the name of the membership. And let me step back. Memberships can be different things. They can either be a one-time subscription or one-time, say, fee. And once they buy that, then they get sort of unlimited access. Or you have the membership, which is more of like they have to continue to pay something to get access to those specific areas on your site where you're giving them content. So there's more of a one-time, one-shot buy it and they get it, or there's the ongoing model where they have to continuously pay on a monthly or a yearly or a weekly basis. So obviously figuring that out first, how you want to do that. And then after that you get the name, is it the name of the class, the name of the workshop, whatever it is that you're offering. The cost, is it again one-time fee or is it a recurring model, $20 a month, $100 a month, a weekly fee, a yearly fee. So it just depends what you're offering and the content and how accessible you want it to be to people. And then of course, like I said, is it one-time or recurring fee? If it's recurring, figure out how often you wanted that to be. Usually monthly is probably the most standard, but again, it can be something different if you've got a unique offering. I do have a client that has a once-a-year membership site, $30 a year or something pretty simple, and they get access to a library of files. So the next item is thinking if stuff needs to be set up as sort of what's called drip format, which means after they sign up, they get things in a particular order after so long. So example, sometimes somebody's teaching a 4-week course and there's 4 different modules, and maybe the first week they get module 1, and then after a week they get the next one, and then the next one and the next one, all kind of spread out, versus offering them all of it at once and saying, as soon as you buy it, you get access to everything, and they can go through it, at their leisure as quick as they want. Generally, I guess it's nicer to do that because everyone's got different schedules, and some people might go faster, some people might go slower through things. However, if you're doing specific training that needs to be timed and sort of really want to encourage people to do the first one first and the second one second, a drip format might be better. It also kind of keeps people engaged longer and reminds them, hey, I got to come back next week and check this out again. So there can be some benefit there if you kind of drag it out. You kind of keep making sure people are coming back and checking out the next piece each week or each time segment. The next decision is if you want them to be able to actually download the content to their computer or just be able to access it through the website. So of course, if they download it, it gives you a little less control over the content you're putting out there. They can more easily share it with others. So that's the only kind of downside to it. Of course, if you're doing any media, PDFs, videos, etc., it's great to have your business name on there, logo, copyright, that sort of thing. But however, once it's downloaded, it's a little bit out of your control. However, it does make it nice for the user because then they can more easily access it and more easily put it on their phone or their tablet or wherever else that they might want to watch or read or listen to it. The other option is to have it embedded on the site so that they have to log into the site and access it, and that gives you more restrictive control over that content, so people can't easily take it and move it around, share it with others. It's got to be through the website. And you also, with that, if you're doing a membership subscription where they have to pay every month, then once they stop paying, they can no longer access that content. So if you're doing something that's more of a recurring model, monthly or yearly fee, it might be a little more ideal to have that where it's locked into the website and they can't just download it and use it wherever they want. If you're doing they pay one-time fee and they get all the files, then something where they can download it might make more sense. The product description. So having obviously the description beforehand, this is sort of can be the sales page for the membership. Where do they, what is the product, what is the membership, what is the class, What are the benefits they're getting out of it? What are they going to learn? How's this going to improve their life or their business or whatever it is the class entails? Having some testimonials on there are great. Video testimonials are even better if you can get those. It's your sales page, so getting to the point of what it is, being very clear, and what they're going to benefit of it. What value is this bringing to their life? And then the welcome text. So this is after they purchase, after they log into their account. Generally, they're going to go to a page, and on that page, they'll have access to all the content you're giving them. But it's good to have some sort of welcome explanation message. Thanks for signing up. I hope you enjoy this. Please watch the videos below. Please read these PDFs. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Look for more classes coming. Any kind of general information that you would want to give to a new client, a new customer. So that's the basics that I kind of need to help me get those set up on your website for you. Some other ideas just for general marketing and to get you thinking about future memberships. Some things that are great to have are monthly seminars. So you might offer, anybody that's part of this membership, this probably more so for the memberships that are recurring type thing, that whoever signed up, they get access to either maybe a monthly in-person event or monthly webinar, something like that, where it's going to keep them engaged with you and you get to learn with them, or they get to learn from you on a continuous basis. This could also go into a monthly Q&A webinar, Q&A call. If people have questions about the material, this is their opportunity to talk with you. You might offer them special incentives. It could be discounts on services or other products or other memberships. I've seen where somebody does coaching kind of work, so they've got their membership program, and then you get a 10%, 20% discount on private sessions with them as a member. Or if you have products that go along with that membership, they get a discount on those products for being a member. Or discounts to upcoming events or special things you're doing. So there's good things to offer. You can have a membership forum, which is basically a place for people that are in the membership to dialogue, share with each other, ask questions, connect. The easiest and for you and for customers in general is to set up a private Facebook group, just because everybody's pretty much already on Facebook and it's an easy way for them to just add that to what they're already doing. I can set up forums, a container within the website for that kind of discussion. The benefits is that it's a little more restricted, you have a little more control over it versus Facebook. You can still make a private Facebook group, but it's still a little more open versus the one on the website. But generally the Facebook group can work for most cases. And then it's always good to check in and get feedback, get reviews from the people that are in your membership. So if we've got the newsletter list signed up, you can bring those members into the newsletter so that you can check in with them regularly, see how they're doing, see if they're having problems, see if anything, see if there's any main points that maybe you need to fix up or revise, and hopefully get some reviews, some testimonials that you can use to add onto the sales pages. So those are just some things to think about as you continue to expand and try different things. And I hope that helps you understand the memberships. And basically, once those are set up on your site, we'll create the pages for them where people can read all the information, the sales page, if you will, and then they can buy it, sign up, and then they get access to it. So thank you very much. Hope that helps you, and I'll see you later. All right. Have a great day.